Welcome in SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is the SST Edupedia. Myself Anurag sir. Today I am going to teach you the DBMS subjects structured query language which studied in class TYBCom Sem 6. My subject is IT. So let's start with our topic is the structured query language. So first we must understand about the database management system. So what is the database management system, which is abbreviated as a DBMS? So database is a collection of interrelated data which helps in efficient retrieval, insertion, deletion of data from database and organize the data in the form of table. Means we are just taking the data in the form of tabular format and we are performing the CRUD operation which is known as a create, read, update and delete. Views, schemas and reports, etc. So views are just logical tables and schemas are the overall architecture of the database and reports from their data. For example, university database organizes the data about students, faculty and admin staff, etc., which helps in efficient retrieval, insertion, deletion of the data from it. Means we are getting data from our database system in a tabular format and we are processing the data and we are getting the final outcome from which we can get our final results and get the reports. The schema is the overall architecture of data. So whatever the schema we have designed for our DBMS system, so it is known as the schema. Database has schema, table, view, trigger and the stored procedure. So as we said, the schema is the overall architecture of the data and table is the tabular format in the terms of rows and columns, and view is a logical table. Trigger is a one kind of small program which executed automatically when particular operation is performed on the table. And stored procedure are just like the functions, small functions, we can call it from our SQL query. And this SQL is used to do operation on the database and table. First, always remember the SQL is always pronounced as a SQL. Just like a squirrel, it is always pronounced as a SQL in the previous days, but today's days in the American English, we can pronounce it as SQL or SQL both. So this is the one form of the query. There's a create table and how we can use it. So this is the first syntax, the create database, means what is the database name. Then first I again repeat, create space the database, means we are creating the database and the database name, semicolon. In any kind of information technology or IT or any kind of computer science terminology, we use the semicolon to terminate the line. I again repeat, to terminate the line. So use database. So whatever we have created database in our DBMS system, which is a database management system. So for use to the database particularly, so DBMS will understand which we are writing the different kind of SQL queries on which database. So use and database name. Remember always, we don't have to use the use database keyword. We just have to write the use and database name and semicolon, as I said, to terminate the line. Example, create database college, and to use that, use college semicolon. So now we will understand how we can create a table in our database system. So as I said before, we have to use the database, then syntax for the create table. So create table, then table name. Always remember this is known as a parenthesis. Parenthesis means whatever we are curly brackets, the rounded brackets, the square brackets we are putting in any kind of query or any kind of programming language. This is known as a parenthesis. Means we are closing and opening brackets. So this is the opening bracket of the rounded brackets. Here we can see the rounded bracket. See column name, 1 data type, comma. Means we are not terminating the line. We are just separating the two things. This is type 1, then column 2. Data type 2 and so on in the last thing, column name n and data type. Finally, always remember we don't have to put any kind of comma at the end of the last column. Just we have to close the curly bracket as I said, parenthesis and the semicolon. So it shows that we have already terminated the create table query. For example, create table student, opening rounded bracket, role int primary key. We will discuss in further videos what is the keys, different kind of keys we are using in DBMS. So primary key, name char. So we have the different data types, just like the integer, which is a whole number, then floating type, which is decimal number, character, which is any kind of character, and another is a varchar. Varchar means we have the combination of characters, special symbols, and our alphabets. So address 50, it denotes the size of our particular column name for that particular variable. So this is a semicolon, and again determining the create table query. Next one is okay. Thank you. Further details and further SQL table and DDL command and DBL command we will see in the next lectures. Thank you very much.